So I'll be showing you how to attach documents to an email using your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can follow these same instructions for pretty much other iPhone models and even iPads. So the first thing you want to do is identify where that file is. So normally you want that file in the files folder right here. So just go to files, identify the location of your file. Okay, so just know which folder it is in so you can quickly access it once you start trying to attach. Now if the file is in another app, let's say for instance it's a PDF document someone sent to you via WhatsApp, you might want to download it onto the phone so that it goes into the files folder. Now once you make sure your file is in the files folder, you can now go to your email. Now I'll show you on the main email app on your iPhone, and then I'll also show you how to do it using the Gmail app. So it's kind of slightly different. So on the main mail app, when you're writing an email, you have the to section, you have the subject, and then you have the body of the email here. Now what you want to do is double tap somewhere here, even an empty space will do, and then you should see this little menu here. So if you tap on the arrow on the extreme right, you see those options, and tap on that arrow again and you can see more options. Tap on it again, and then you should see the option to attach file. So tap on that and then choose the file you want to attach. I'm just going to attach this PDF document. And the mail app has a funny way of attaching files. Now it's not going to attach just like Gmail does. It says attach, but then it inserts that image into the body of the email. Okay, so from there you can now go ahead and send. Now the Gmail app has a better way of attaching files. So if you go into the Gmail app, and when you're writing your email, you have the to section, you have the from, of course, from you, subject, and then you have the area, the compose email area, where you have the body of the email. So this time in the Gmail app, there's a dedicated attachment button. You can see this one here that looks like a paperclip. So that's what you want to tap on, and then it's going to give you the option to go into the photo library, or you can go into files. So you should see the files icon here. Just tap on it. That takes you into files. So you can tap on browse and browse through your files folder and find the file that you want to attach. So for instance, if I want to attach this one, all I need to do is select this PDF document, tap on open, and as you can see, that PDF document has been attached to my email. So now I can continue the rest of the email and then send it with that attachment. So those are the two ways of attaching documents to emails using your iPhone, both for the main mail app and for the Gmail app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.